Hello everyone. So if you want to check your download history on the Google Play Store on the Android phones, here's how to do that. So first of all, open up your Play Store. After that, you're gonna tap on their account icon at the top right corner. Then we're gonna press on Manage App on Device. Then tap Manage at the top. And here you'll see all the applications which are installed on your device. You can sort them by pressing here, and you can simply by recently updated, size, least used, most used, name. Usually if you want to see the newest application, you can simply press least used and it's gonna be on the top, except for the system apps, of course, because you haven't used this application. That's why it's gonna be it's gonna appear there. Let's switch to the alphabetical stuff though. All right, so here you can choose whether you want to see applications only on this device, or if you're gonna type here, you can see applications on all of the devices which are using the same account, right? You can also see not installed applications, so those applications that have ever been on your account but are not installed there now. So the list may be huge with the years, be ready with that. You can also enable your downloads available filter, your games filter, your archive filter. You can go back and tap on the account icon once again, press payment and subscriptions. So here you can change your payment methods. You can change the method of purchase, verification of subscriptions, so you can check all of your available subscriptions which are going on right now. You can see your budget and history, so this is basically your base story. And you can add up some codes if you have any gift cards, of course. The last but not least, for a complete log, we are to open up any browser. I'm gonna use Google Chrome. Make sure that we logged in into the same Google account with our Google Play Store. After that, we are to search for My Activity. .google.com. Here, let's scroll down to the search bar and simply search Play Store. And there we are. So here we can see all of our Play Store moves. Up until some period, like this period can be filtered, so you can filter by the date and product. So I really hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.